Hey everyone, my name is Anthony Cofrancesco from brainyflights.com, and today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite cards, and it's the Discover It. Now, before I really jump into this video, I'm going to remind you, if you're applying on this or any of the cards we talk about on this channel, please use our links down in the description below. It really helps us out. And with that being said, let's jump right in with the basics. Now, in terms of a sign-up bonus, there really isn't one for this card. Sometimes Discover will give a $50 sign-up bonus, but right now we can't really seem to find any of those offers around. Now, in terms of the perks, well, this card is super simple, right? There really isn't any perks. You're just gonna be earning cash back, right? And the really cool thing about the Discover It card is that you can earn up to 5% cash back through their different rotating categories. Now, we have another video that talks about the breakdown of each of these categories, but essentially, once every 3 months, 4 times a year, Discover rotates different categories in which you'll earn 5% cash back. So for example, these are gonna be different things like you can get 5% back on transportation, so like gas or Lyft or Uber. During the holidays around Christmas time, you'll earn 5% cash back on Amazon. All sorts of different stuff, restaurants, movies, really great, easy way to earn 5% cash back throughout the year. Now, the Discover It credit card also is gonna earn 1% cash back on everything else. This card is kind of near and dear to my heart because it was one of the first cards that I ever had. It's very easy to get approved for, but the reason I like it more than anything else is because there's no annual fee, right? So if you are just starting off, if you're just starting off with a credit card, this by far is one of the best options out there because it's simple, it's easy to use. You don't have to worry about points, you don't have to worry about miles, you don't have to worry about all of these crazy redemptions. You're just earning cash back, right? Discover also makes it really easy to use that cash back. So you can use that cash back if you just want to apply it to your bill, you can do that, right? If you want to actually get the cash deposited into your bank account, you can do that as well. The other thing that you can really do with the cashback bonus that can give you an even bigger bang for your buck is you can go into their Discover Cashback portal and then you can redeem it for different things like gift cards, for transportation. The cool thing about choosing to do that is you're gonna get a slightly higher amount in return for that cashback bonus. So for example, maybe you buy a gift card that's worth $20, but you only have to use $15 of your cashback bonus to do that. On top of that, another really great use of the Discover Cashback bonus is you can actually use it to check out directly on the Amazon website. If you actually go and put your Discover It credit card into your wallet, it'll give you that option upon checking out and it'll say, hey, do you want to apply $25.83 of your cashback bonus to pay for this Amazon purchase? So a pretty easy and very simple way to use that cashback bonus. Okay, so the other reason that I think this is possibly even better than the Chase Freedom card if you're a beginner is because the cashback bonus for the Discover It credit card is doubled after your first year of having the card. So let's say in a single year you earn $500 as your cashback bonus. At the end of the first year of having your card, they're gonna give you another $500, so a total of $1,000. So what does that mean in terms of actually earning on the card? You're effectively in your first year gonna be earning 2% cash back on absolutely every single purchase that you make with your Discover card. That's amazing for a card with no annual fee. If we're talking about who is this card good for, who is this card bad for? This card is going to be excellent for beginners, especially with the fact that you're gonna be able to earn 2% cash back, that's that 1% doubled after your first year. Who is this card bad for? I'd say if you're looking at getting cards with just massive sign-up bonuses, this is probably one you're gonna wanna pass up. It's really not the most amazing card for sign-up bonuses. So with that being said, I really hope that you found this video to be helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. The other thing that's down below are our links. So if you're gonna apply for this or any of the cards we talk about on our channel, please use the links. It helps us earn a small commission, which allows us to pay our staff and create high quality content into the future. On top of that, if you want to check out some really cool travel merchandise, go over to our website, brainyflights.com. And then if you want to learn more than you ever thought was possible about travel hacking, go check out our course. It's on udemy.com. It's 4 hours long and it'll teach you everything you need to know to start travel hacking like a pro as soon as possible. With that being said, thanks again for watching and have a fantastic day.